Title tags and SEO 3 golden rules. Title tags remains an important part of SEO and are well worth some attention when writing your title tags. You should have one distinct page for each major users need your trust. Avoid overdoing the granularity and never reuse title tags. It used to be conventional wisdom that title tags should be between 65 and 70 characters in length. Early this year, Google began experimenting with a new search layout design that reduced the number of characters shown to length between 48 and 62 characters. The title tag remains an important part of SEO for one basic reason: it is the overall label for the content of a page. And because the number of characters is limited, there is not much room to do that much with it. Here are 3 golden rules of title tag. Have one distinct page for each major user need you address. This is one of the most common mistakes that people make with their sites. Interested visitors to their site have many different types of needs and ways of thinking about their needs that relate to your product or services. For that reason, it is useful to create pages that address each of those major needs. Ideally, there are many stages in this process, such as getting your key team member together and brainstorming, pulling users on their needs, studying competitive sites, and then supplementing that with keyword research to simplify things. For purpose of this column, let's explore this with an example using keyword research for a resume writing business. To do this, I pull a keyword report from Word Tracker, and after some examination, I noticed some patterns. Here are a few keywords that I pulled out of the top 75 keywords. What you notice is 3 types of categories of keyword: global keyword that define the whole space, regional for people looking for local help, profession specific keyword related to the profession of the searchers. These all represent opportunities to address specific prospective customer needs. Of course, you should only create specific pages if you fulfill the need. Do not go creating a bunch of location pages. If you are an online service, you also want to group these things logically. You do not want to create a page for every single variant of the search terms that you come across. Do not overdo the granularity. There are clear limits for how granular you should get. To illustrate the point, let's look more closely at the keyword data. In this chart, I show all of the top variant of global terms. That data returned to me by Word Tracker. There are 23 terms shown in this table, but in my original table I ignored all but 4 of them. I do not want separate pages for resume writing services. Resume writing